Let's look at the top 4 common money mistakes that college students make. Number 4, not budgeting. One of the most common money mistakes that college students make is failing to budget. This is understandable as many students are on their own for the first time and may be unfamiliar with the concept of budgeting. However, budgeting is an essential tool for managing your finances and ensuring that you have enough money to cover your essential expenses. Without a budget, it's all too easy to overspend and find yourself in debt. Additionally, budgeting can help you to save money for important future purchases, such as a car or a house. To start budgeting, simply track your income and expenses for 1 month. Then look for ways to reduce your spending and increase your savings. With a little effort, you can quickly get your finances under control. Number 3, impulsive shopping. College students are often strapped for cash, so it can be tempting to make impulsive purchases when something catches your eye. However, this can quickly lead to financial problems. When you buy something on impulse, you are more likely to overspend on unnecessary items. This can leave you with less money for essential expenses such as textbooks and rent. Additionally, impulse purchases are often made without doing any research. As a result, you may end up with a lower quality product than if you had taken the time to compare prices and read reviews. In the long run, it's wiser to take a few extra minutes to think about whether you really need an item before making a purchase. By doing so, you can avoid many of the financial pitfalls associated with impulsive buying. Number 2, prioritizing wants over needs. Many college students are guilty of prioritizing their wants over their needs. While it's understandable to want the latest fashions and gadgets, this can quickly lead to financial problems. One of the reasons this is such a mistake is that it's easy to fall into a trap of continuously spending money on non-essentials. This can quickly lead to debt, which can be difficult to pay off when you're still in school. In addition, this habit can also make it difficult to save up for important things, like a car or a house. If you're not careful, you may find yourself unable to afford the things you really need. So next time you're tempted to splurge on a new pair of shoes, ask yourself if it's really worth it. Chances are, it's not. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, giving in to financial peer pressure. According to a recent study, nearly half of all college students feel pressure to spend money in order to keep up with their peers. This pressure can manifest itself in many different ways, from buying new clothes to going out to eat or drink. While there's nothing wrong with enjoying the occasional night out, these expenses can quickly add up, leaving students struggling to pay their bills or save for future goals. The key to avoiding this money mistake is to be mindful of your spending and be aware of when you are giving in to peer pressure. If you find yourself regularly spending more than you can afford, try to find cheaper ways to enjoy your time with friends, such as attending free events or cooking at home. By making smarter financial choices, you can avoid the pitfalls of debt and build a bright future for yourself. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.